Afterpay's virtual card, a MasterCard, enables interest-free installment payments at any Apple Pay accepting merchant. Adding it to Apple Wallet allows contactless in-store use. This requires the Afterpay app and an eligible iPhone, iOS 15 Plus. No physical card needed. It's digital. Ensure your Afterpay account is active with a linked payment method. Download the Afterpay app. Install from the App Store if not already. Open and log in with your email, phone, and password. Complete KYC if prompted. Basic ID verification. Access the Afterpay card. Tap the Card tab at the bottom or In-Store for setup. If new, follow prompts to activate the virtual card. Enter PIN or verify via SMS. View details, 16-digit number, expiry, CVV. Add to Apple Wallet. In the app, tap Add to Apple Wallet under the card details. This opens the Wallet app automatically. Confirm by tapping Continue or Add Card. Apple verifies with Afterpay, may send a push notification. Verify the card. Enter the security code from the Afterpay app if prompted, or it autofills. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. The card appears in Wallet instantly. Test and use. In Wallet, tap the Afterpay card to set as default if desired. At checkout, double-click the side button, Authenticate, and hold near the reader. First installment pays immediately. Others auto-debit bi-weekly. Tips: if errors occur, for example, unable to activate, restart apps, update iOS, or contact Afterpay support via app chat. Response in 1 to 2 hours. For Apple Watch, add via iPhone Wallet first, then sync. Limits apply based on your Afterpay profile, up to $2,000. Track in-app. Late payments incur $8 fees. Set reminders.